Here, you can go to the mosque without closing your house. And also, people are very quiet. For me, it's an honor and a privilege to work for his own country abroad.
Hello and welcome to the show called Ambassador of the Month, where we celebrate cultural exchange and diplomatic excellence. Well, today we are at the Embassy of Senegal, and it's an honor and privilege to connect with the Ambassador of Senegal to Qatar, His Excellency Cheikh Tidiane Sall. We welcome you on FM 107. Hope you are doing good.
Thank you for having me.
Your Excellency, how would you like to define the political and the diplomatic relationship between the two countries?
Very good relation between the two countries, and we established, we start this relation in 1996. The relation start really in 1998. It was the date when the Father Emir visited Senegal, and we signed a lot of agreement on protection of investment. And we have some agreement on culture, on transport, on education. And in 2004 also we signed other agreement in transportation. And and also in 2017, the current Emir Cheikh Tidiane visited also Senegal, and I think it was a turning point for the relation between these two countries. And now, as you may know, perhaps in Senegal, we had election in 2024. We have new government, new regime. And what I am seeing here, that a real interest of the Qatari government to improve the relationship, the bilateral relation between the two countries. That's why the president was here. He attended the forum of Doha in December 2024, and also during his trip also he met some Qatari investors and invited them to come to visit Senegal, to invest in Senegal. That's thing that now we have very good political relationship, and also now the second phase is how we can improve it on investment, on economic, and also on cultural exchange, because that is really something very important, because we share some values. There are countries where most of them are Muslims. In Senegal, 95% of the population are Muslim.
So how do you see Qatari investors contributing to Senegal's development?
When the president came here in December 2024, he talked to the investors, said that Senegal really want to count on Qatar investors. For this, we need really huge investment. And we know that now there are now few countries that are capable to invest, because it's not investing on, let's say, really little amount. For instance, we have what we say structural project. And we call it also transformative project. For instance, we have a project to build a railway from Dakar to the east of Senegal, just in not far from the border with Mali, because the first commercial partner in Senegal is Mali. It is Mali. People they will think it is France or Western countries. No, it's Mali. But we said, okay, because Mali is a landlocked country. So some goods came from the Senegalese port. Now we say, okay, we have a project building a real railway line from Dakar to Tambacounda, who is just some kilometers from the border of Mali. So it will ease the cooperation and the trade between the two countries. And also Mali is also border with Burkina Faso, who is also a landlocked country. So for us, this is what we say an integrative project. Senegal will gain, of course, of this kind of project, but countries like Mali or like Burkina Faso can also gain from this. Qatar is interested on project that can profit also to neighboring countries. And that is, we have some transformative project. It is these railways. We also the gas power plant also, because energy also is have a very huge demand in Guinea-Bissau, in Gambia, in Mali. So this is all in this project we want really to orientate Qatari investor.
What truly inspired you to pursue your career in diplomacy?
Really, I was not interested in diplomacy because I didn't know it really. But I had an uncle who works in the army, who was a very hard, and he advised me, say, if you succeed to this, go into diplomacy. And that was the starting point. Then I started to read about diplomacy. But he told me, you will have the opportunity to travel a lot, to discover our countries, to discover culture. You will not regret. And really, I really not regret. And also sometimes I say, we believe in God. We believe we have some destiny. It's something really decided from Allah just before. But really at the beginning, I was not interested in diplomacy. And he just put this idea in my mind. After the exam, and alhamdulillah, I say, okay, I will choose diplomacy. For me, it's an honor and a privilege to work for his own country abroad.
Your Excellency, what is that one thing that truly impresses you about this country, Qatar?
Safety.
Safety.
Yes. Safety. When I came here, I came alone, and the family joined me 3 months later. When I come, they tell me, okay, here you can go to the mosque without closing your house. And also, people are very quiet.
What is that one message you would like to extend to Qatari audience about Senegal's future and about this country's potential?
Senegal is a very open country. Very open country. And Senegal is also very open on investment. All countries are welcome. You don't say, no, you are from Europe. No. For Senegal, all countries are welcome. And we believe we can really achieve something with Qataris. I am here as ambassador. I am witnessing some interest from Qatari government. Even if there are some international meetings, when I meet some Qatari authorities, if for instance for this meeting Senegal didn't send a big delegation, they always ask me, where are you? We need Senegal. Alhamdulillah, I was in Senegal in last January. I met the president, and what he shows me is that his willingness to really strengthen the cooperation between the two countries.
Thank you so much, Your Excellency, for giving us your valuable time and for sharing amazing insights with us. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you for coming.